In this advanced example file, you can actually select two edges by using a list item, evaluating the curves, and you can see here I can change the evaluation simply by changing this gene pool and producing a line from it. Now, if I turn on the divide curve, you can see that I can change the number of divisions on these lines simply by changing this gene pool. Let's turn it off again. Here in the Kangaroo solver, I'm going to enable it and reset so I can get the points to access it. Also enable the network surface so you can see the surface in Rhino. And now by changing the base points and also the second points, you can design an advanced solid. You can see that I can change the location of the line and also the points to fine-tune the solid. If you change the number of the divisions of the lines to 1, for example, which is going to be the start and the end, be sure to reset the solver. And you can also change the location here. And now by changing these lines, you can actually change the NURBS surface by defining the sections which you want to make a line. Again, I can increase the number of divisions, reset the solver, and I can change the location here. I can access the surface, network surface from here. If I want to, I can bake it and easily have it in Rhino. I can also bake the cap holes here if I want to make the final solid and use it in my project. So simply this advanced example file will help you to have more control on the solid by defining the location of the line, the control points, and finally baking the solid.